Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check the community violation of a Facebook page. If you're new here, I'm Michael, and without further ado, let's get started. To check the community violation of a Facebook page, you need to be signing into your Facebook account and have switched to your Facebook page that you're managing. You can easily switch to a Facebook page by clicking on your profile in the top right corner. You're going to see the list of the pages that you currently manage. If you don't find it, click on see all and you see all the list of pages that you are managing. Once you switch to the Facebook page, you can click on settings, or you can access settings by simply clicking on your profile again. And here you're going to see settings and privacy. Once you click on this is going to show you the settings. So click on settings, and to check the community violation of your Facebook page, you need to click on new page experience. Click on new page experience and now click on page status. In the older model, you see page quality. Click on page status. This is going to show you if you have any community violation on your Facebook page. If your page has no community violation, you're going to see page has no issues and with no restriction. But if you do have a community violation on your Facebook page, you're going to see them in this section. And you can learn more on how to handle the Facebook violation. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel and have the post notification bell turn on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.